Hello everyone, welcome to the course. Today we will be learning about blockchain, how to set up the environment to create a simple decentralized application, or how to use a Remix IDE, setting up the network environment. This is important to continue the course and the video to create a decentralized application and more. Let's dive in and set up the environment. For setting up the environment, we will be needing different tools. For creating decentralized application, we need Web3 provider. We need a normal Remix IDE, Ganache, which provides Web3, custom Web3, web server, Node.js. Web server is required for Chrome. It is a Chrome extension and we can download it from the store. What is Ganache and how to set up? What is web server for Chrome? Why do we need it? Node.js can be used for what? We all will be learning how to do and how to set up and how to use all these tools in this video. Blockchain is a technology. It is a decentralized database that stores registry of assets and transactions across a peer-to-peer network. It is basically a public registry of who owns what and who transacts what. There's a new technological institution that will fundamentally change how we exchange value. That is blockchain technology. It is called the blockchain. Now, that's a pretty bold statement, but for the first time, I believe we can lower uncertainty with technology alone. So, Ganache provides custom Web3 for us. You can download Ganache from truffleframework.com. Ganache is free and it creates a free test blockchain network. Now, when you create transactions, you can see the transactions on Ganache, and here's a little preview of it. In the activity, you can see all the 10 different Ethereum accounts you have. Now, you will be having 100 ethers at first for you in each account. You can see transactions in the transactions tab, and there's a custom port which is 7545 for Ganache. You can see the block numbers, which is 0 currently, and the transactions are null. And this is because the Ganache is just set up and we haven't used it. Why do we use Node.js? Node.js is for creating a server-side scripting. We need Node Package Manager or NPM, which comes with Node.js. You can see if you have Node already installed by going to your terminal, and you can type the command below, which is node-version v. Now to download Node, you can go to nodejs.org. Node.js is free and you can download the latest version from this website. The next is Remix IDE. This is the most common tool and the most rigorously used tool in blockchain development, especially on Ethereum. To create smart contracts, we will be using Remix IDE. The smart contracts file will be .sol extension. Here are all ABI options, the bytecode, how to compile and all. In our next video, we will be learning about practical use case of cryptocurrency, what is token, what is coin, what are the differences, and many more.